Hi guys, this is another opportunity to explain the news that happened this evening. I just want to, let you guys know the reason why the news buy and sell at the same time, and also to trade the correction of the news, right? Uh-huh. So we did this analysis on Sunday. We did this analysis on Sunday, and I told you guys that whichever way it will go, will be in for massive buy if it break to the upside, which is at this place. If it break to the upside, which is at this place, or it will go for a massive sell if it break to the downside, which is at this place, right? So now what did we see? It break to the downside and we had a strong pullback and it fell down totally and hit our TP. You get this news make it to hit our TP and went again upward. What happened? So remember the news that was released today, the focus value and the actual value all are 4.25%. Actual is 4.25%, while the focus is 4.25%, which means the news is going to buy and sell at the same time. Let me switch down to smaller time frame. Let me switch down to 5 minutes. So look at what happened. Look at what happened at this place. So the news buy and sell at the same time. Remember this is currency pair. It's not going to respect, it's not going to do like gold that have more energy and more trading volume to be doing two things at the same time within the twinkling of an eye. You get that was the reason why we are seeing something very slow here. You get, if not on gold, there's a video I made about gold. On gold, it do the same thing, buy and sell at the same time. Within 5 minutes, buy and sell at the same time. And we have a signal to trade that correction of it. You get. So now, what I'm happy to show you guys here is that I did this analysis on Sunday before market open. And I told you guys something like this. And look at what happened. What happened? It hit our TP at this place. Can't you see? Hit our TP at this place. Hit our TP at this place. First, it gave us an entry. We enter. Second, it reversed back again to our entry and gave us a bearish engulfing candle and still returned down. The news was something that pushed it down finally and went up. You get. And I found reasons why we should trade the correction of the news USDJPY. Remember, if you want to trade any correction, any news correction, you have to know that the pair that did not have any news attached, the primary and the secondary pairs did not have news at the same time. If the news that the primary have is positive and the news that the secondary have is positive, you have to know that the news is going to be zigzag, which means it's going to be it is going to blow your account. You get. So you have to go for the one that has news and the one that does not have news. You get me, right? So now I drew this trend line since last week and it tends to respect it, like the one that gold did. Sorry, the network is disturbing. The one that gold did, this is my view on it before the market open. This trend line, right? This trend line here. Look at the trend line and the news just respect it. When it comes to tap at that zone, immediately it start going up. You get. And that was our TP, right? So now let's read down to 5 minutes and 1 minute to see if this thing give us a signal to enter for what, a buy, as the news played out as a sell. You get. First thing first, we found a signal on 5 minute time frame. Remember, all these places called a zone. You get. All these places called a zone. All this area is what? A support zone. First, it gave us a signal for buy, which is an engulfing candle. Second, the first confirmation we had was this a support level, right? Second confirmation was this engulfing candle in 5 minutes. Remember, we are using smaller time frame to trade the correction of the news. You get me, ba? So 1 minute here. Let's see what 1 minute gave us. So first 1 minute gave us a morning star. A morning star. This is hammer. This is bearish candle, and this is bullish candle. All these three candles combined together is called a morning star. It gave us what? A strong signal for what? A buy. You get, and it bought, and it went up. So I just want to explain something very quick concerning this trading news reversal. You understand? And if you are still waiting for more confirmation, this is just like M pattern breaking the neckline, and it went up in 1 minute time frame. Let me show you guys. Yeah, yeah. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. So see something here. Sorry, I picked wrong one. See something here. So see the reason why it gave us how many confirmation here on 1 minute. This is first confirmation for what? Morning star. Second confirmation for this neckline, this M pattern that it gave us. M pattern at this place. M pattern at this place, right? M pattern at this place. So this is just the reason why we still found the opportunity to enter for what? Buy, to trade the correction of what? The news on USD JPY. Same thing with what? GBP JPY. You understand? The same thing with what? GBP JPY. But what amazed me part on this trade is the analysis we did on Sunday played out. You get? I did not trade USD JPY on this news. I trade only good, and I made about 30 something pip on it. So the analysis he did on Sunday played out very clean. That was my joy on this trade. You get, and the analysis we did just played out very neat, and this is it. This is the analysis we did. I think we are risking 1:4. Imagine 1:4. We are risking 1:4. You understand? 1:4. That is massive. That is massive, bro. That is massive. GBP USD. Let's check GBP USD. Let's check GBP USD very quick. We trade GBP USD today and off TP. You understand? So when the news release immediately, before the news release, me and my brother Ben VFX, we motivate ourselves not to close the trade. You understand? We motivate ourselves not to close the trade. So immediately the news release, it take us in profit. We are in for buy from this area before. We are in for buy. Sorry, we are in for buy. Oh shit. We are in for buy from this area before. We are in for buy from this area before. Can you see? We are in for buy from this area before. It take us in immediately and went down again. Okay, I mark this in from daily time frame to see if my signal, if it will give us a signal to trade the correction of the news, right? So I mark this in from daily, switch down to 4 hour to see what I marked, whether it's valid or not. Oh yeah. Wait, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, look at what I marked. this is trend line and this is a horizontal line, right? So what I marked, all correspond. You get, all correspond. So now, what did I do? I switch down to 5 minutes and 1 minute to see if it gave us a signal for what, or a sell. Massive. That's massive, bro. You have to even pay me for this knowledge sef, because it's not easy. Have you seen any professional trader sharing to trade the correction of the news? Have you seen anyone? That's massive, bro. Look at a strong engulfing candle in 5 minute time frame. A strong signal for sell immediately. Strong signal for sell immediately. This candle is more like marabuzu. You understand? Strong signal immediately for what? Is sell. You get. So now let's read down to 1 minute whether it gave us a signal to. What did 1 minute say? Oh my gosh. I'm so super amazed. 1 minute also gave us a signal. Oh God. 1 minute also gave us a signal. I forgot the name of this candle. These two candles they have name, but I forgotten the name. See, both of them are what? The same. Like none is taller than each other. They are all the same. Can you see here? I'm measuring it. See this place and see this place now. All the same. If two candles are the same, like none is taller than each other, and it happen at the what? Resistance area, you have to know that what is a signal for what? A sell. You understand? Especially the next candle that form apart from after the two candle is bearish. You have to know that what is a strong signal for what? A sell. And if it happen to the in the downside, like support area, and you have to know that is what a strong buy signal. You understand? It's just vice versa. So that is just the whole explanation concerning what happened in the market today, what has been happening and what happened in the market today. So we are so amazed. The profit is not that massive. We trust God for bigger accounts like 50k, 100k prop account. You get. So now that is just all for now. I think this knowledge that I shared here will be helpful, and then more of this will be uploading on this channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends that you know this will be helpful too. You get, it's